Hey there, welcome back to another video by Chemical Engineering Life. In this video, we are going to explore the top 5 ways chemical engineers have changed the world around us. So do watch the video till the very end and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Chemical Engineering Life channel for more videos. Let's begin. The very first thing on our list is the catalytic converters for emission control. Catalytic converters might seem like just another car part, but they have been a huge step forward in cleaning up the air that we breathe. And that is because as cars became more common, so did the harmful emissions, and something obviously had to be done. Chemical engineers designed catalytic converters to take the toxic gases from exhaust and convert them into far less harmful substances before they leave the tailpipe. And over time, this single device has helped reduce smog, improve the urban air quality, and push the automotive industry towards cleaner technologies. It is a perfect example of how a smart chemical engineering solution can make everyday life healthier for everyone. Number 4 on the list is polymer engineering and the birth of modern plastics. Polymer engineering is where science and creativity collided to reshape the material world. Instead of relying only on natural materials, engineers started crafting synthetic ones like nylon, PVC, and polyethylene that could be molded, stretched, strengthened, or softened depending on the need. The importance of this development lies in its ability to create tailored materials for specific applications, from clothing to electronics and to aerospace. And love it or hate it, but polymer engineering changed how we build, protect, and use almost everything around us. Number 3 on our list is the wastewater treatment and activated sludge systems. The activated sludge system might not be as glamorous as many of the other things on this list, but it is absolutely one of the unsung heroes of modern civilization. Before it was introduced, cities struggled to manage sewage safely, leading to polluted waters and outbreaks of diseases. And this process uses living organisms to break down waste, making water safe before it's released back into the environment. And the best part is that it's simple, scalable, and incredibly effective. And only thanks to this innovation, cities could grow without drowning in their own waste, rivers recovered from pollution, and public health improved dramatically. It is definitely one of those behind-the-scene projects that quietly keeps the society running smoothly and safely. Number 2 on the list is the petrochemical revolution. The petrochemical revolution is basically the moment humanity realized that oil and natural gas weren't just energy sources. Instead, they were treasure chests full of chemicals that could become almost anything. By turning crude oil into things like ethylene and benzene, chemical engineers opened the doors to plastics, synthetic fibers, detergents, and so many stuff that we use in everyday life. It is actually quite wild to imagine how many parts of our daily lives, from our phone cases to medical equipment, exist because of this shift. And honestly, it didn't just change the industries, it reshaped the modern lifestyle from the ground up. And number 1 on our list is the Haber-Bosch process. The Haber-Bosch process might sound like something straight out of a chemistry textbook, but it's actually one of the biggest reasons our modern world can feed billions of people. Before it came along, farmers, they depended on rare natural nitrogen sources to fertilize their crops. But this process cracked the code on turning nitrogen from air into ammonia on a massive scale. And it completely flipped agriculture on its head, making fertilizers widely available and transforming food production forever. Honestly, without it, the world today would look very different and probably a lot hungrier. So these were the top 5 ways that chemical engineers have changed the world around us. So if you agree or disagree, then do let us in the comments below. And also learn more about Chemical Engineering Life at www.ChemEnggLife.com, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to ChemEnggLife channel for more videos. Thank you and have a great day.